Well, hello everybody. This is Jonathan Smith with the USAudio.com and USAudioFX.com. What we're going to do today with this little brief tutorial is show you how to access, download, and have great fun creating fantastic products with your new USAudioFX.com sound effects. So what you're going to want to do first is, of course, from the US Audio FX website, once you have acquired either your bundle, your file, your products, and access your free bonuses, or just simply go to USAudioFX.com and take advantage of our free sound effects folders, which are just cram-packed with great sounds for you to use free of charge. So what you want to do is, once you have downloaded your PDF file, you're going to have it in whatever path that you downloaded it through to your hard drive, and we'll navigate directly to the PDF. Double click that. We'll center this so you can see it a little bit better, and it will have the full explanation of what I'm about to show you here, but nevertheless we'll go through the process. If you have any questions still after that, feel free to give us a call or contact us by email. There is a user's agreement which simply says we're asking you do not resell the sounds. These were painstakingly created with some of the best microphones on the planet, recorded with 32-bit, that is twice the quality of CD, and processed by way of Steinberg Technologies, which is simply the best that you can get. So, as you can see, you have a great deal of files here to access in your library. If you get this, you'll never need another sound effects library in your life, I guarantee you. And this is some of the best quality sound that you'll ever come across. Our passcodes are case sensitive, so it's probably easier just to highlight it, click copy, and then click the URL access link to be taken directly to a page that has an open password block in which you will paste your access code. Click continue, and as you can see, you're in. And then just perusal, look at your index that is free at the site. It'll show you in alphabetical order what all your files and folders are. Once you find out which one you want, just navigate to that folder, open it up, navigate to that track, and each track has multiple sounds. And we'll show an example here. And if you're wearing headphones or have sense around sound, you'll really hear the dynamics of the space in between all of the sound. Close your eyes, you'll just feel as if you're there right immediately. This is this great sound. The bus starting up. You can hear it moving actually. These are processed, the architecture of the sound are processed so detailed that you can actually hear the distance of the bus pulling away, or from one ear to the other. It's just perfect. And then, of course, just click download, and boom, they're right there for you. Just open up and putting it in iTunes here, and have fun. These are going to be available for you online now as we speak. So go ahead and rush over to USAudioFX.com and pick up your free sound effects and have fun creating all the fantastic product that you can. Till later, you guys take care. Bye.